Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. I'm Rick Wilson. This is OAM Garage. Thank you for stepping by. I think P-Roy is the only one that steps by. I don't know, but anyway, I appreciate you being here. If you enjoy this show, make sure you like it and comment and subscribe and all that other junk. And we're going to try to bring you a pretty show. Anyway, we here lately have been working on the frame. That's what we're going to do today. So, if you enjoyed my last show, well, you already enjoyed this one too. I hope. I don't know. Anyway, grab you up some popcorn and a Coca-Cola or coffee like I always drink. Hey, let's do it. All right? All right, then. Hey, look here, y'all. I'm going to hit that like thing and subscribe. All right. Bye. Come here, people. Come here, people. All right, so it is fixing to rain, as always, but I want to see what I can get did. I think Philip's coming over tomorrow. He gonna help me a little bit. So I got to get this thing here off. So I think he's gonna help me with that. See that coming. There's my brake line. Don't want to break that. I'm going to put a new one over there anyway, so it don't really matter. Yeah, I'm thinking about painting them. Won't hurt nothing. Better. Let's see if I can get up in there any. Nope. Is this thing here showing anything? I hope so. Ooh. A little longer than I thought. Pull that out of there. Something a little smaller to get up in here. Looks like, oh, them brake lines still feel pretty good. Let me go get something else. By the way, I'm just seeing how much I can get done, cause it's gonna rain here in a minute, as always. And no, I don't live on some tropical island that rains every day. It just seems like it. No, it does rain every day. Seems like it. I hear thunder. But I always hear thunder. No, that's tinnitus. Yes, I always hear tinnitus. And there apparently is nothing you can do about it. Unfortunately. That's just what a musician needs, is tinnitus. Looks pretty good up to there. Alright, look at all these wires. Well, I guess I'll be back in a minute when we ain't got all them wires, alright? Well, I guess first we ought to see what we can do about this. Here, really? This wire ain't doing nothing. That's right. But holding them other wires. I guess this was before the invention of tie wraps. Yep. How y'all like my new overalls? You like my new overalls? Good. Something pretty ready. Okay. Alright. So now we got it stuck. That's good. That's wonderful. Let's just pull it all out. Alright. That's what they make. And you shall study. Okay. Whew. You shall come on up. My back is hurting. Maybe just have to go rest a bit. One of them Thomas reps. Alright, let's go. Rest my back. Well, like I said, I don't live on an island or something somewhere. Actually, I live right along in here. And just as soon as I came in to get something, the bottom fell out. So I guess I will call it a day. However, you know, Philip's supposed to come over tomorrow, and we've got to remove this, I forgot now what you call it, running board, so that we can get to this and see if we can't do a little work on that. But anyway, well, so anyway, I got me a new hat that holds my GoPro. And if you'll notice that those close-up shots that were close up, we're much better, right? Right. All right, well, I can assure you that P-Roy will never get his hands on this little setup. All right. Look, I enjoyed this. Yeah, I'm sorry it's short. It's got to where I guess I do live on a deserted island that rains all the time. I don't know, a tropical island. But anyway, I tried to dry it out, like I said before, and it just wasn't cooperating. But I enjoyed it. I hope you did. Make sure you like and subscribe. Come on back. Do me a favor. Don't litter. It just ain't pretty. So please, don't litter. It just ain't pretty. Alright? Sun's in my eyes. Oh, yeah, there's my hair. See, I got my hair cut. But anyway, I don't know why I'm telling you that. Y'all be sweet. Hey, look here, y'all. I done found me a new hat. P-Roy, get back here. P-Roy, get back here. Man, he can run.